This video will help you create the binomial distribution table for self-assessment number 8. The first couple of steps have already been done using the information from the Alzheimer's Society of Canada found in your lab manual. Our template's already been set up with our value for the number of trials, which you should have found was 30, and the probability is 14.9%, or as a decimal, you need to enter it as 0.149. We're going to put in the values for x, or the number of successes, starting at 0. And I'll just start my series, but I need to put values for x all the way up to 30. So once I have the first few values, I can highlight those and then use the fill handle to complete the sequence up to 30 trials. Next, I want to find the probability, in this case, that in a sample of 30 individuals, none of them have Alzheimer's. I'm going to use the binomial distribution function, so I can start typing in my formula bar equals binom, and I want the first option here, binom.dist. First thing I need is the number of successes. That's found in cell A4, so I could type A4 or click on that cell. And then I want absolute cell references for the number of trials, so I use the $B, $1 for the number of trials, and an absolute cell reference for the probability, so $B, $2 for the probability, comma, the last argument, I put false. I do not want a cumulative distribution, so you can double click on that or type false, close your bracket and press enter. And the probability is given here. I want to copy that formula down, so I'll click on it and use the fill handle to complete the rest. Some of these probabilities get quite small, and you can see that, for example, in cell B18, we have 2.92e negative 0.5. This is written in scientific notation, so it's 2.92 times 10 to the power of negative 5, or a very small number. We're going to format these to 3 decimal places, so I can click Format, and I want to format the cells, click Number, and I want 3 decimal places. Click OK. Now those very small probabilities will show up as 0 to 3 decimal places. Now that your distribution table is done, you can use it to answer some of the questions in your lab manual and then create your binomial frequency distribution.